Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another new day, another new journey. So today I'm at the Delhi International Airport. I'm flying to Kathmandu, that is in Nepal. Usually I fly direct. I prefer direct flights. I fly from Bangalore International Airport to any different country. But this time I had to go to Delhi because there was no direct flights from Bangalore. So Delhi International Airport is very good. This is the first time I'm coming to Delhi International Airport, and it's really very good. I'll just give you a glimpse of airport lounge and Delhi International Airport in a while. So right now I'll also go to Delhi International Airport Lounge, which I've never been to before. So I'll just give you guys a glimpse on how International Airport Lounge is, and also how the lounge is compared to Bangalore. So I'm going to make a review on how different is it from Bangalore International Airport to Delhi International Airport. So if you have any questions regarding where I booked my flights or what is the process, you can do ping me on Instagram or ping in the comment section. I'll try to answer all your questions. So please watch my vlog. Stay tuned to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. You'll get your updates now and then. Thank you. ¿Dónde está? I'm not allowed vlogging.
Yes.
¿Dónde está? I'm not allowed vlogging.
Yes.
Hey guys, sorry to cut the video. Unfortunately, shooting in or filming in Delhi International Airport is not allowed. So the staff came and told me that I'm not supposed to film in Delhi International Airport. So whatever you saw in the vlog is the only those things I could cover in my video. So I'll just give my experience on Delhi International Airport. So first, coming to the cards, the same old stuff where I explained what cards are eligible for accessing in international airports, whether it's international terminal, international airports or domestic airports. I've made those separate videos on those. One is priority pass and one is the entire overview of what cards are eligible for free airport lounge. So I'll link those both videos in the description below, and I'll try to add one of those videos in the cards right here. So in Delhi International Airport, the one thing which I liked very much was the alcohol is unlimited. That was not the case in Bangalore International Airport. For one coupon you could get only 2 alcoholic beverages, whereas in Delhi International Airport lounge you can get unlimited alcoholic beverages. So that was for alcohol lovers. That's a very good news for them. That is one major change I observed. And the second thing is when compared to Bangalore and Delhi International Airport lounges, the Delhi International Airport Wi-Fi was really good when compared to Bangalore International Airport, and it was same lounge, Plaza Premium Lounge in Bangalore as well as Delhi. So comparing to both lounges, the Wi-Fi range, I'm only talking about the most important things. So the Wi-Fi range was much better in Delhi. The bandwidth was much better. So the only drop down was I could not film, and I couldn't show you guys the amount of space that is there in the lounge. Bangalore International Airport lounge is definitely bigger when compared to the Delhi lounge which I went. But these two factors play a very important role. And the third thing that I observed is in Delhi airport lounge there is no board where it shows what time is your next flight, when is the departures. So they'll show in an LED screen. So that is missing in Delhi lounge. I don't know why they haven't kept it. So you won't know the updates whether your flight is delayed or whether it's leaving on time. You won't know you won't get to know that information. So that is one piece I thought was missing in Delhi lounge. And also you could carry drinks outside from Bangalore lounge. Like you could carry soft drinks, aerated drinks, and water bottles. You could carry them onto the airport from the lounge. It was completely possible. But here in Delhi airport lounge there was no facility to carry water bottles or carry soft drinks from the lounge to the flight. So that option was not there in Delhi airport lounge. So there's pros and cons in both the lounges, but I prefer Bangalore International Airport lounge at the end of the day because it's very spacious, and Delhi airport lounge is very congested because there was a lot of people. Of course Delhi airport is very busy. So these two things are the major things, like that. These few things are the major things that I observed, which I felt better in Bangalore International Airport compared to Delhi International Airport. So if you have any questions on Delhi lounge, on what I did or how could I get in, any questions on my trip to Nepal, you can just ping me on Instagram for instant response, or you can comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply to all the messages, all of your messages. So stay tuned to my vlogs, watch my Nepal videos. I'm in the hotel room right now and then shooting this because I couldn't get time to shoot this in the Delhi lounge itself, because vlogging was not allowed and they couldn't do it. They didn't allow me to do it. So please keep watching my Nepal vlogs. You'll get back-to-back vlogs in every 4 days. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll come back with my next video.